Here is how to remove or disable the T-Mobile App Selector app so it no longer installs or recommends additional apps on a compatible Android device in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to stop unwanted app suggestions and reduce carrier bloatware on your phone. First, open the Settings app on your T-Mobile or Metro Android phone. This is where you'll manage installed apps. Once you're inside, tap Apps or Apps and Notifications depending on your device. You should see a list of installed applications. If App Selector does not appear, look for the three-dot menu and turn on Show System Apps or a similar option to display carrier software. Next, scroll through the list and tap App Selector or App Manager. You'll see the app information page with available actions. Then, check for an uninstall button. If it's available, tap it and confirm the prompt to begin removing the app from your device. After that, if you do not see uninstall, tap disable instead. You'll get a warning that the app will no longer function. Confirm the action to stop App Selector from running or recommending additional apps. Now, restart your phone. Once it powers back on, App Selector should no longer be active. If the app is missing from the list, make sure Show System Apps is still enabled because some devices hide carrier apps by default. Once you've completed the main steps, check that the app no longer sends prompts or recommends extra downloads. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Open Settings, go to Apps, enable Show System Apps if needed, find App Selector or App Manager, tap Disable, optionally clear its storage and cache, then restart the device and check again. If the uninstall button is grayed out, that's normal on some carrier versions, and using Disable is the recommended alternative. Once everything is set, the T-Mobile App Selector feature will be removed or disabled, and it will stop prompting or automatically recommending additional apps, although some software updates may restore it. Following these simple steps makes removing or disabling T-Mobile App Selector quick and easy.